What is going on, guys? Here's your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a, monthly DePin update. It is the month of July. Now we need to cover the month of June's rewards that we did earn from all of our DePin devices. That is from IoT to mobile to Chirp updates, Demo, Upro. So many freaking awesome things going on. Man, it has been absolutely wild. First video from the new studio of the live streams so far. So welcome to the office. We're here. So hopefully the lighting is okay. Hopefully the sound is okay. And well, let's just dive on in, shall we? So today we are going to go over the month of June's rewards that we did earn from, well, all of our devices. So starting off, of course, with our Osprey G1 mobile or Helium Hotspot. That is getting us IoT tokens that we actually got from Osprey Electronics. You can find this down in the description below. As well, we earned 117 IoT tokens this last month. So we are still on the decline for IoT tokens, and that is because there is just no beacons really around me anymore. As you can see right there. So as you can see, like, they're all pretty far away. So like my earnings are the bare minimum only because of the demo macro device that is providing data through my Helium device. I did have one witness yesterday, so we did get rewards there, but otherwise it's pretty much stagnant for my IoT device, which is kind of a bummer, right? To say the least. Now kind of moving on to, as you can see, I did add one column because I did forget to add this in, which is grass, but it's not officially launched yet. Airdrop is coming soon, I guess, for those that have grass. So if you want to get it, that'll be linked down below. We'll go over that later. Helium mobile. All right, so the mobile token, we do get the mobile token from two different devices. That is our phone plan, and as well as our indoor hotspot. Now our indoor hotspot has been getting better rewards because of Upro, right? I'm doing more data through my network because of Upro. So it has given me a better reward for my indoor hotspot. Now for my mobile plan, the mapping rewards are going down. One, because there's more people on the network, and two, if you don't go anywhere, you don't earn anything. So that's that, right? So it's kind of where we are on that. So the past couple months I've had to pay out of pocket for my mobile plan, so not making enough to cover it. So I'm just hodling the rewards right now. I do want to go over my indoor hotspot. This has been my rewards over the last 30 days or so. So some days really good, but the average is around 120 to 100 and mid to high hundreds. So there are some days where we get huge rewards. Like on the 19th of this last month, we got 2,700 mobile tokens because of data transfer rewards. Unsure what did that, other than I think my phone had an iOS update. I think that would be the only thing I can think of during that time period. Now when it comes to here, just a higher spike than normal. As for our Chirp, not earning anything because, well, it's not live and active yet, so we're still waiting for that. They have worked on some things with all of the earnings, so now we have to claim our earnings to get them. Before we weren't getting earnings because of unknown reasons. They've seemed to fix it so far. Of course, this is all testnet, so none of these tokens actually are worth anything yet. But for being an early adopter, we do get an incentive. So we'll see how that plays out here currently. Now we do have devices on our Chirp network. So our iPhone Chirp tracker, and then our mining shed, which shows the temperature in the well house, the mining well house. Humidity is a little bit up right now because of it's been raining. Temperatures are not too bad because it's been raining and staying cool. So now when it comes down to demo, this last month we earned about 122 demo. Now that all of our devices are online, we are getting a consistent earning of about 24 demo per week. So that is that, and that gives us about 122 demo. This is with one AutoPi and one Macron. Now we do have 50-50 reward split. So if you do own one of these devices, you can take this number and double it. So you would earn actually 200, and you would have earned 244 demo if you paid for these devices outright. We have reward split with Suburban Crypto. So right there, shout out to that guy. There's a link for him down in the description where you can get these. If you go through him, the devices do not cost you a penny. So that is pretty cool. And you get a 50-50 reward split for that. Now, pretty cool. I love the guy. He's out freaking standing. So shout out to him for helping us out with those. As well as Upro, we earned 40 Upro as of last month, which is down from the 60 the month before because we are earning significantly less. We were earning about 0.9 to 0.8 Upro every hour. Now we are only getting 0.01 to, if we're lucky, 0.02 Upro per hour. Because there's just so many people on the network now. So it paid to get into that one early, that's for sure. As you can see, I'm still trying to figure out the best way to add the extra bonus rewards in here, because I do have a bonus reward of win tokens. I have 0.48 win that I have accumulated, unsure how, but it is in my Upro wallet. So unsure of how to add my bonus tokens into there for that, other than just like adding them right down here and manually keeping track. As well, grass. So we got the grass community node up and running last month. Now we got it up and running as like the 22nd of June, according to my thing right here. So this is on an old etc MC node. Have this installed, the grass community node. I will have a guide for this if your so heart's desires, but we got this up and running starting on the 22nd and all the way up until the 5th when I took my snapshot for rewards. We were sitting at a total of 35,776. All right. We did get a referral bonus here, so that did give us a good uptick in rewards that day. So if you would like to join, even though it says I have 0 referrals and we got a referral, I don't know how that works, but if you would like to join the referrals, I would appreciate it. I will have the link post down below. Make sure you go to the rewards page. Make sure you verify your email address, your wallet address, and confirm your wallet with the email. That way you're good to go. Referral program. Have a referral, but we don't have any referrals. Unsure of how that works. Oh look, we can even claim more tokens. Boom. Successfully claim more tokens just because we've earned so many grass points. So F8 of that. And the airdrop for this apparently is coming out here really soon. So try now before it's too late. But that does give us a current running total of $266. Prices are down a little bit from when we took snapshots, so we're probably a little bit less than that now. But, you know. But anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please make sure the like button, subscribe button, that bell notification. Sooner time we go live here, I'd greatly appreciate it. We will catch y'all on the flip side. Much love. Peace out. Remember, stay freaking savage. And, well, happy hashing. And DePin rocks.